Welcome to Outdoors in Indiana. Here we go again, Ohio River. See if we can't break Johnny's heart once again. Lots of shit in the river today. No, excuse my French. Lots and lots of debris. And a bass tournament in Tanner's Creek. They should be flying out behind us any time now. They're all staged up at the creek mouth waiting on the starting gun, I reckon. Anywho, hopefully we get some big ones on video today.
That's a real nice channel. Do you need the net?
Johnny's just soaking bait today, making me do all the work.
You know what's funny? I was looking at that video of Amber Heard tooting on the stand and you got him. That's what's great. Now I know what it is. When they hit mine, they go over to yours.
I want the good food, not that crap you're feeding them. for bait.
Live action.
Moving along pretty quick, ain't he? Let's stir some fish up. Take a long flight wave to get here, do it.
Or that.
Whee!
Is it coming? Dave just got another one. Oh, I got one too now.
We don't care about yours. Little dink. Just him across the water.
He'll make a sandwich. Or a taco. He's blind in one eye.
That's why I caught him. Blind in one eye, can look, I done got his lips sealed shut. It's official. We're done for the day. Thunder and lightning rolling in. Is what it is. We had fun. We caught a few fish. We made a video, as Catfish Dave said. There's fish in it, so it's a fishing video. Tune in next time.